Welcome to BitByBit-Code channel. In this video, we are going to learn the conditional statement in the JavaScript. That those are the if and else if. These are the three things we are going to learn with the some examples. I'm going to write also here. And in the previous video, already we have seen that how to use the looping statement and the switch case and some other things of the JavaScript we have seen. So basically, first we will start with the definitions and what are those things. Okay. Uh, Here are the notes. You can refer this one. What is the definition of if? It will check the statement if it is true, then it will print, or else it will not print the statement. So what it mean to say that it is having only one condition. If it is correct, then it will print. If it the data is not correct, incorrect, then it will not at all print. We will check for that one how it works. So I have connected our HTML with JavaScript file, and then we are going to let a is equal to something like 19 or 18. Okay, I will take, and then we are going to check if a is greater 20 is greater than a, like this. If it is s, then it will print. Then if it is false, then it will not at all print. Like valid, I will write, and we will go for the browser. Okay, you can see it is a valid because A is greater means this 20 is greater compared to A. So this will be true. Then if we write it as only just 2, and I will now we will check it is a false condition, then it will not at all print anything in the console. So this is how it will works. Suppose the data is wrong, then how we will share that one? For that we are having else case. Else case in the sense uh, we are having only two options. Suppose the option 1 is correct, then it is fine. Suppose option 1 is false, then it will go for the second option that will be finally printed. Now for that one we will print that one, not valid, something like this. You can see not valid, or you can say it is a false value. Whatever you want, you can write in the console. Then this is the one first example you have seen, that if only. After that we have seen else also. Then we are having if else, and some other example I will give for this one. Suppose okay, I will take for the driving license example. You are applying for the driving license, and then enter the age. Okay, something like this. Then what we will do? Let the age is to number of percent. Okay, no, no, prompt, and then enter the age. Okay, then we have stored inside that one. We will check for that one. Now if age is greater than uh, equal to 18, then console.log, you can apply, else you cannot apply. Okay, this is the thing we have taken. And if you go to the browser, then if I will add some random numbers 12, it will be not valid. I will do refresh again. uh, then I will add 18 or 19, something as 18. You can see now you can apply for the driving license. So this is how one small example I have given for the if else, and we are having else if also. That is else if, basically else if is used to multiple options. Suppose we are having one option like multiple options like 5 to 6 options, in that any only one is true, then we will use else if case. Suppose A is false, then it will go for the B, then B is false, then it will go for the C, then C is false, then it will go for the D. Like those if it is having multiple examples. I will try to give one small example for that one. I will leave this one comment out, and then okay. Suppose we are having cases like A is to if you want to check any three numbers, which one is bigger compared to A, B, C, then how you find that one? We will solve that using the else if case. Okay, we are having three data, 25, 20, and then 10. Then for not for if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Okay, because here A need to check with B and C, then only we can say A is greater. Okay, then A is greater. Then else if here B need to check with the A and B need to check with the C also. Console.log of B is greater. Okay, then we are having else else if again. In this one else now C is checking with A and C is checking with B because both the cases should be true. Then only we can say C is bigger. Console.log. Then C is bigger. Then we are having else. Means suppose all the conditions are false, then we need to have to print something like then suppose like we need to add as a same data cannot be declared. Suppose we are having 25 in the both the cases, then the output should be something like some same data cannot be declared. So here A is greater. It's saying suppose if I change the data now B is 20, so it B is greater. That is correct. If I made it as a C is to 100, then C is bigger. Suppose what if I do uh, this one I'll remove the zero and I will add 2020. Now you can see same data cannot be declared. So what how it works means basically what is happening here. First A is checking with B and C, then B is checking with A and C, then C is checking with B and A. So basically, one is checking with each other of the variables. Then suppose if it is having the data, then it will print. Suppose if it's not having the data, then it will go for the else case, and it will print for the same data cannot be declared. So this is one of the simple example for this one, and we will go for the notes. What you can take refer from these notes also. Some examples, simple examples I have written. In if case already we have seen, else case also we have seen age that some other things I have maybe written examples. You can take any other examples. And then we else if example is also have written. And in the previous video you have seen a break statement also. So this is some of the examples I have given here. So try to follow some examples and try to solve some of the examples. You can go to the MDN and go for the Google somewhere else and try to solve some of the questions with simple examples and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.